welcome back to another nail tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the best nail application and how to get long-lasting nails. So I've already started with a lot of my basic nail prep. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with a nail dehydrator to extract all the natural moisture out of my nails. And then I'm going in with my fave, the Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue, along with these beetle nail tips, okay? When you are getting nails, you want to make sure that they cover your nail bed from sidewall to sidewall to make sure you don't get any lifting. Now you're going to go in with a generous amount of nail glue. This is super important. Make sure that your entire nail is covered. Then you're going to pick up your nail tip and you are going to leave a little bit of space at the base of the nail bed. We are going to fill this in later with builder gel. If you are someone who is hard on your hands, you do a lot with your hands but you want your nails to last long, this nail application is going to be for you. Once you have the nail on there, you want to apply a little bit of pressure. This is going to allow the glue to seep and spread underneath the nail, and if it seeps out on the side, it's perfectly fine. Wipe it away with a little bit of alcohol. Now that you've applied all of your nails, this is what you should have. Now at this step, your nail is not going to look as super flushed out as it normally would had you applied the nail tip to the nail bed, but it's okay. That's what filing is for. If you have an electrical file, perfect, use it. If you don't, use a hand file like me and use the harshest side of the nail file, okay? You really want to get this nail flattened. You also want to go in around the sides and customize the nail so it fits the shape of your natural nail perfectly. These beetle nail tips come in an almond shape and medium length, but my nails and overall my fingers are a little skinny, so I like to file the sides in a little bit more, making the nails appear to be a little more pointy, kind of like stiletto with rounded tips. So now we're going in with a little bit of alcohol to get rid of all that dust after filing, and now it's time to add on the builder gel, okay? Make sure you have a skinny brush nearby. It's really going to help you get into all those tiny cracks and crevices, but basically you just want to add a little bit of this product at the base of your nail. You want to have gravity help you out a little bit, so I like to point my nail downwards so the gel can run down, but basically you are filling in that gap that you left open earlier, okay? Now had you just added the nail tip with the glue, it might pop off in the next 2 to 3 weeks, you know, but filing the nail down and covering the nail with builder gel just allows this to really look like an acrylic nail, if you will, okay? After I fill in the crack, I go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds, and then I top the entire nail with another layer of builder gel, okay? If you do this, your nails will last damn near a month. I'm not kidding you, okay? You just have to do the application perfectly. Now, I don't fully understand this part of the process, but after you add a layer of builder gel, you want to hold your nail upside down. Something with apex, something with structure, I don't know, girl, but basically doing this allows the gel and the gravity to form towards the center, and then you want to go in and cure it, okay? I cure it for 30 seconds first and then 60 seconds, and this is what your nail should look like, okay? Having that apex structure will allow it to not break as easily. So as you can see, I went ahead and did my other hand. I'm going for a mermaid pearl type of design, and now we're going to get started. So my base coat is from Gaio, okay? I'm going to do a thin layer on all my nails and then cure for 30 seconds. But if you are looking for some really good high quality gel nail polishes, girl, go to Amazon and search Gaio, Gaoy, and get these, okay? They're so good, they're so shiny, and they come in a pack with like so many different nail colors, okay? Also, if you are curious about any of these products, girl, they're from Amazon. Everything is linked in my description box. So now I'm going in with 2 layers of this creamy white color, okay? First time I cure for 30, and then the second time I cure for 60. Also, if you are concerned about UV rays from the nail lamp, get you some gloves, okay? Period. So I told y'all that we're going for a mermaid pearl kind of design, so I'm going in with these pearls. Got them from Amazon. Now these pearls do come with glue, but I don't really want to use it. I like the Marquette glue, so that's what we're going to use. They did come with these tweezers, which I'm definitely going to make use out of, okay? So for my first nail, I'm really just like freestyling, but for my first nail, I'm going in with some of like the medium-sized pearls, and I'm just placing them wherever I see fit. The good thing about this Marquette glue is that you can put a little bit down, and before you cure it, you can still move whatever nail gems, rhinestones, whatever the case may be that you're adding onto your nail, which is why I really love it. So this first finger is basically just going to outline the side of my nail with some pearls. After I add these to where they need to be, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Now keep in mind, once you cure this Marquette nail glue, it's stuck, okay? It ain't no peeling it off, so make sure that they are in the perfect position before you put your nails under that lamp. Now, as for my middle finger, I'm really sorry about the positioning of this angle, but I am doing like a French tip rhinestone kind of design. So I'm just putting the glue towards the center of the nail in an arch shape, and then I'm applying some of the small medium rhinestones at the top, and then I'm going under it with an outline of the tiniest pearls that they have. Keep in mind, the tinier the pearl, the harder to put on the nail, okay? So here I go, flipping my hand upside down, trying to get the best positioning of my hand so I can get these rhinestones on right. But the middle finger is the finger that took the longest because of the size of the pearls. So just FYI. Now, y'all know I always come with these nail tutorials with nail tips, okay? So here's a tip: if you are using the Marquette glue, have a little tiny brush on the side, because if you were to just apply the nail glue onto your nail, sometimes when you pull it away, it has this long string. It kind of reminds you of like string cheese, girl. This long string of glue, and it's so frustrating. So I like to put the glue on a brush and then apply the glue to my nail that way to add on my rhinestones, because I don't get that string. So that's exactly what I'm doing for my ring finger. I'm placing the glue, adding the pearls, curing it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going in with more glue, add these brush strokes, like fine lines with the glue on my nails. I don't know if this is giving seaweed, mermaid under the sea, I don't know, but it went with the vibe, okay? After I apply these curled lines to the nail, I'm going to cure it for another 30 seconds so the glue can harden. Once the glue hardens, I'm going to top it with some chrome powder. Again, got this chrome, like everything else, from Amazon. It's linked in the description box. And I'm going for a gold platinum color, and I'm just adding the chrome on top with a brush that came with the kit. I'm just brushing it on there, girl. Now, I don't have many tips for chrome. I'm still learning, but I think what I should have done in this instance was wipe my nail first with alcohol and then add the chrome, so the chrome wasn't going all over the place. But it's okay, I just cleaned it up with alcohol after I applied it. Now, one thing I do know about chrome is as soon as you're done with the nail and it's to your liking, you want to top it with top coat immediately and then cure. I think I cured this for 60 seconds just because I didn't want any more chrome powder to transfer to the other nails. So yeah, now it's time for our last nail design, because my thumb is basically the same as the ring finger. So with my pointer finger, I am using the Marquette glue straight out the bottle onto the nail because I'm doing like a long squiggly design. I know y'all have seen this design. It's literally just a squiggly line with chrome on it. It's so cute. I thought I was gonna hate it, but it turned out really pretty. So even though my thumb and my ring finger are super similar, I went ahead and included that footage in today's video just in case you guys were curious if you are using my full nail design as a template to follow. Go ahead, girl. If you guys have any questions about any steps included in today's process, leave them in the comments down below. I will be more than happy to answer you guys' questions. But yeah, this is the final product. So I finished everything off with a little bit of cuticle oil. I'm using this one by Truly Beauty. Girl, just use whatever oil you have. I have learned that less is more with this product, so I tend to only put a drop, and I like to massage that onto the finger, not onto the nail. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's nail tutorial on how to do this cute pearl mermaid inspired design. Let me know what nail design I should try next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.